This will be a super bright and vibrant aluminium tinfoil dip again. One of the favourites, a wonderful beginners art project to do and do with friends, children, family. It's really easy, and you get some lovely feathering effects from the way I layer the paint. So I'm just coating this with a quick coat on the edges. It was a pre-used canvas that I wasn't very happy with, so I'm reusing it. So quick coat on the very edges, and then we'll get on with it. It's Jelly Cube, and as you just seen, I just coated my edges of my canvas before I start. Just makes it a little bit easier. It's not necessary because you can actually coat it at the end. But I'm doing another tinfoil dip, a scrunched tinfoil dip, which loads of people have jumped on and found these videos of the scrunched aluminium foil dips, and they've had a go at fluid art for the very first time, and I'm super excited that it can bring other people joy and a bit of art therapy sometime on your own or time with family and friends. So I'm super happy about that, and it's an easy beginner's technique to start, and it gives you some lovely results as long as you've got your paint consistency a little on the thicker side for actual dips. I find is better. So I have other videos in the below description. You'll find links to the beginners videos that will tell you how to make the pouring paint up. Anyway, let's get started. I'll just do a quick zoom this through with the foil. I'll give it a quick scrunch, pull it all back out again, as I find this gives a really kind of textured effect when you pull your canvas up. I've got a bit of paint on there, so I might splash. Okie doke, just marking it out with this texture sort of just gives me an idea of where to put the paint on this canvas. Very easy, no dramas, you can do it any which way. I'm doing the wiggles, wiggles, not related to the wiggles, of course. seems to work. So okie doke, excited for this one, so excited for this one. Let's see how this goes. So this was a canvas that I'd used previously. I didn't want to waste it because I didn't like the previous pour that I did on it. So I'd scrape the paint off. You can reuse the paint, put it as, so you've got a base colour, reuse it again. So nothing's really wasted. And then, of course, I'm reusing it now on this one, so. And I really hope this one's successful. 9 times out of 10, these particular techniques work for me. So you just, you know, very gently sort of, but firmly press the paint out so it's hopefully touching every bit of your paint that's left over. So let's go for the exciting bit. Okay, love this bit usually. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, I love that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. How is that so tropical? Now, when that's dried and had a coat of resin, it absolutely pops. So I'm going to probably leave this one till I've put the resin on before I show the video so I can show it to you. So I'll put it onto my tray here. This is just an old baking tray which I reuse, and there we go. Look at that. It's sort of got the lovely feathering effect, and anywhere that I feel that I choose, you don't have to. This is perfectly beautiful as it is. I'm just going to do a few little balloon kisses. I've got a bit of a blob there which I'd like to kind of get rid of, so I'm not going to do too many, I promise. But that's it, and remember, it's your art, your rules, your way. Oh, and these balloon kisses are coming out gorgeously delicate. So a few of these strategically placed bring out the colour in it. Look at that. That dark sea turned out beautiful. It's like a real dark teal, and that's really worked well, I believe, with this particular pour. So I haven't done something such bright and vibrant like this one for a long time. I'm just trying to find my these I think I did 3 years ago. They was dipped off the same, and these were ones I did 3 years ago, and I've never been able to bring myself to sell them or even gift them because I love them so much. So I think these were the last ones that I did, the really bright colours. I've done many other foil dips or bubble wrap dips, but I just love that. I just love that. Oh, I hope you like that too. I might just give that a whiz over. This is just a heat wand. It just burst the air bubbles in there. You can definitely, if you have some bold spots on your canvas, you can use your paints that you've got underneath and then just and use the paint to re-dip on your canvas. But as you see, I haven't really got any bald spots on that. So much fun, and it's just stunning. I love it. Look, I want to say to everybody out there, I know I do say this message 9 times out of 10. If you're feeling sad, lonely or upset with anything that's happening in your life, please ring a family member or a friend. If that's not available to you, there is always a helpline. In any country that you live in, there is a helpline. Do not suffer in silence. And my love goes out to you all, and there's so much therapy in art, and it brings me peace and regrounds me, and I hope it can do the same for you too. So until the next video, my lovelies, I will say bye for now, but there's over 1,700 videos. If you click on my main Jilly art on YouTube, there's just an array of videos that you can go look at. Take care. Bye for now. This is my foil dip. The video will be up now. Then I coated it with resin with the dragonfly glaze in the resin, but it's kind of pitted and missed out and marked, so I don't know if there was some kind of silicone, even though I didn't put it in the actual paint. It is sparkling gorgeous, but I'm wondering if I could rub it back slightly and recoat. Has anybody done that? If you can see, there's like pits, little pits every now and again in it, but it is beautiful, bright and vibrant. So just wondered if anybody else had rubbed it back and recoated and it fixed the problem.